Hey guys, here I am with my citrus twist kit all laid out for November, and I thought we would do a little process. I have stamped some things because I was kind of just sitting here, and let me just situate these ephemera pieces real quick, and let's get started. So let's pull you guys in. This one is, we were just at the park. I did another layout that this is going to go in conjunction with, but I don't remember when I put it up. This is, actually, you know what, I think I'll cut that. This statement right here is Gabriel up and down. He is very, very routine and is proud of it. And I don't have a problem with it either. But by 9 o'clock, my man is ready for bed. He doesn't care who's up. He doesn't care what everybody else is doing. He is tired and ready for bed, though. And I think, you know, we all kind of get caught up in wanting to not be busy with school or work, and so we end up all just kind of staying up. But, you know, I think we kind of envy him for being able to just call it a day, you know. So, anyway, I laid out like the ephemera pieces, but I did not go through the puffy stickers and the chipboard to see if I want to add anything. So we'll do that. I knew I added too much glue. Good thing it dries clear, huh? Okay. I'm sorry, I know my arm's in the picture. I can't get, there we go, okay. Alright. Oh my goodness, I can't open it. There we go. Don't know if I want to, I think I do want to add some of these stars in. Ooh, I could do weekend. It was the weekend. I am 100% sure about that. Not add a green one because he likes green. Or he used to. He may like red now. I don't know. Now this is my title card. And I keep it extremely simple. Or I think I am. That just says happy little moments. I'm sorry if that was out of... Oop. Tear it up. Okay. Oh, kind of is cute. I wonder if I could put have fun down there with the alphas. I will put you on hold because I don't want you to have to sit here and watch me do that. Okay, I think it turned out kind of cute. And pink one. All right. This is one of the ones that I stamped already. I'm so happy we are here. Ooh, hair. Sorry about that. I put some flowers on my goddaughter's one, but I don't think I'm going to put them on the boys. I like this one that says play. Oh, shoot. This was actually in the middle of summer, I think, or right at the beginning of summer, so using, you know, things like the autumn stickers and whatnot's not gonna work. So ooh, I don't want to cut that off, so I need to square that up pretty good. There we go. Little diamond up top there. Okay. And we've got, this one says wake up, be awesome. That is the mailer card that they send in with each kit. I'm assuming every kit gets one. And I stamped out highlights. And move it over just a tad because I do have this flower I want to put down. And leaf. And I don't want to cover up Gabriel because he is in the corner here, so. And I have a tendency to cover up things when I don't want to. Don't know why that is. There we go, that's good. She, my goddaughter, has a birthday coming up, and it's crazy. She's crazy. How time flies. Not sure why I like the little bird, but I do. Just keep taking layers and layers off every time. Okay. Like that. Ooh, yeah, I think I'll move that to down here. Actually, I don't have enough glue on it, So, sorry, my son. Actually, that was the one in the other picture, not Gabriel, but Devin. Get down there. Oh, you know what? Now this is totally going to move my whole layout around, isn't it? It's okay. We'll figure it out. You know what? I should have put that facing up. Oh well. Pretty sure it's too late now. Well, gracious. Oh, gracious. Rough day already, guys. Rough day. Let's go with a heart on this one. Right up top here with a few stars, maybe. All right. And last but not least, got this little bitty heart out, one of those diamond looking pieces. It had this cut out on it, so I'm gonna put it to this label here that says the stamp, and we will check makes me smile, and we will put some adhesive on it. Kind of fill in the top part of the picture a little bit because there's not a whole lot going on up there. I do have red in there. I think I'm gonna go. I don't want to go another heart because the heart on the other one's right next to it. Kind of like that. Not a flower, but a little something. And I guess we will pop some stars. Ooh, yeah, that'd be fine. And a blue one. Yeah. Okay. Trying to really simplify the layouts because I feel like I have over embellished way too much. So anyway, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful Saturday with me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your Saturday, or if you're laying down watching this, have a good night's sleep. Anyway, I hope you got some crafty time in too. Can't ever get that light right. Anyway, alright guys, see you later. Bye.